Hello everyone, my name is Jimmy Allison. I'm an Ableton Live certified trainer and I teach one-on-one lessons online. In this video, I'm going to talk about Capture. Capture is a really cool new feature in Live 10. It allows you to just kind of jam out and then get your ideas really quickly. It works in a similar way that I used to use Looper to get my ideas in. Basically, all you have to do is play your phrase and then click the button. I made a little bit of a mistake on this, but you see, it got the idea. The main thing is it got my tempo, roughly 160 BPM, and it got the general gist of it. Now, all I have to do is maybe go edit out this little stutter. And we're pretty much good. And I can continue on with making music. And I'd probably go ahead and round off my tempo to 160. Because I personally do not like fractional tempo values. Now, the key to this working in its optimal is make sure the clock is off, the clock is not running, and then play your idea, but treat it much like how you would use Looper. Click the button on the one. And then it'll capture the idea most accurately. Let's try one more time. So that time it didn't quite work out because I was trying to play this. And I really wanted it to start like right around here. So what I could do is just select the notes, kind of drag it back a little bit, and adjust my tempo to taste. The other neat thing about Capture is that it will, even if the clock is recording, I'm going to stop this clip real quick, it will actually record everything I do. But when I hit Capture, it'll bring it in at the current tempo. Which is generally fine if, say, you have a click track going or drums going or there's a song happening and you'll probably be playing in that tempo. But right now, since there's nothing on, I'm going to want to make sure to stop the clock while I generate my ideas. And also, you'll notice that it captured everything I did between captures. Anyway, thank you for watching. I teach one-on-one lessons online. Check out my website, austinabletontutor.com.